Alright, hello everyone. These are your instructions for uploading a video on Flipgrid. It is very simple and it is also very interesting. I've had a lot of fun trying to make these videos on Flipgrid. So let's go into it. If you look at it, there are instructions for the research activity, which actually explains the research activity PDF. There is a Flipgrid code and link, so you don't have to worry about the link right now. The Flipgrid code is CBA BCA 6D. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Google, open up a Google page, type in Flipgrid. I'm going to move my window so that you can see that. The first one that opens up is what you need, on where it says the type in your code. You type in our code CBA BCA 6D, and when you enter, you're going to see the research activity. Do you see that? Part of the explanation for your research activity is given here. Remember, it is politics in education for a law, legislation, bill, something like that, not a general article. You're going to click the plus sign. You're going to sign in, and I'm going to use my Gmail to sign in. Now, the reason that it is showing me this is because I am making a video using the Screencast-O-Matic. Okay, so I'm going to switch for just a second so that I can show you what that looks like.